Effective diet, proven strategies to excel at satiety. Are you tired of feeling hungry all the time while on a diet? Do you find yourself constantly snacking or craving unhealthy foods? Well, you're not alone. Satiety, the feeling of fullness after a meal, is a crucial aspect of any diet. Without it, you're more likely to overeat and sabotage your weight loss goals. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies to excel at satiety within the South Beach diet. First and foremost, it's important to choose foods that are high in protein and fiber. These nutrients take longer to digest, keeping you feeling full for longer periods of time. Foods like lean meats, beans, and vegetables are great choices. Additionally, it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking water before and during meals can help you feel fuller and consume fewer calories overall. Another way to excel at satiety is to practice mindful eating. This means paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues and eating slowly. It takes time for your brain to register that you're full. So taking the time to savor your food can prevent overeating. Incorporating healthy fats into your meals can also help with satiety. Foods like avocado, nuts, and olive oil can help you feel satisfied and prevent cravings. However, it's important to consume these in moderation as they are high in calories. Finally, it's important to be aware of your portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in excess. Using smaller plates and measuring your portions can help you stay on track. In conclusion, satiety is a crucial aspect of any diet. By choosing foods high in protein and fiber, staying hydrated, practicing mindful eating, incorporating healthy fats, and being aware of portion sizes, you can excel at satiety within the South Beach diet. So, next time you sit down for a meal, remember these proven strategies to help you feel fuller for longer and reach your weight loss goals.